The sun rises over Megan's farm, casting golden rays into her cozy bedroom. She quickly dresses and heads to the kitchen to grab her basket. Megan steps outside and greets her favorite animals, chickens, cows, and her playful dog, Buddy. She scatters feed for the chickens, laughing as they eagerly peck at the ground. Megan carefully milks Daisy the cow, humming a happy tune while the bucket fills up. She heads to the garden and picks ripe tomatoes, juicy carrots, and green lettuce for the farm's lunch. With a watering can in hand, Megan waters each plant lovingly. Back in the kitchen, Megan and her grandma bake fresh bread and pies. Lunchtime, Megan and her family enjoy a picnic under a shady tree. After lunch, Megan builds a birdhouse with her dad, painting it with bright colors. Megan plays tag with her playful and the curious sheep Wooly, running through the fields with joy. She hops on her pony, Star, and rides through the open fields, feeling the breeze in her hair. Megan helps her mom repaint the barn, making it look as fresh and bright as the day it was built. At sunset, Megan sits on the porch, enjoying the view of her farm and the peaceful sounds of the evening. As the stars twinkle in the night sky, Megan tucks her animals in for the night, whispering goodnight to each one.